अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये। Page number 3, topic number 6. अधिकारी तु विधिवदधीत वेद वेदांगत्वेन दधीत वेद वेदांगत्वेन आपाततः अधिगता अखिल वेदार्थः अस्मिन् जन्मनि जन्मान्तरे वा काम्य निषिद्ध वर्जन पुरस्सरम् नित्य नैमित्तिक प्रायश्चित्तः उपासनानुष्ठानेन निर्गत निखिल कल्मषतया नितान्त निर्मल स्वान्तः साधन चतुष्टय संपन्नः प्रमाता The author Sadananda has pointed out all the 4 Anubandha Chatushtayam: Adhikari, Sambandha, Prayojanam, Vishayaha. In the 5th topic, Tatra Anubandhaha Nama Adhikari Vishaya Sambandha Prayojanani. Who is the qualified student to study this text? Adhikari. Vishayaha, the subject matter. Sambandha, what is the relation? Prayojanam, what is the benefit? These 4 he is going to discuss. Therefore, I am not explaining elaborately. He himself, author himself, elaborately in detailed way he is presenting. First in Anubandha Chatushtaya, first one is Adhikari. Who is Adhikari? In the 6th topic he is pointing out. Adhikari tu. However, tu means however, the Adhikari is one, the qualified student is one. Who is he? Vidhivat Adhita Veda Vedangatvena. Vidhivat means properly, systematically. Who has approached a guru, a pandita, studied Veda Anga. Vedas, his own Shakha, Veda, he has to study. Parayana, recitation he has to learn. Sabda Avritti. Veda and Veda Anga, Mimamsa, Vyakaranam, all other Shiksha, Kalpam, all I have given elaborately in the previous class. Vedangatvena, then Apatataha, and he has learned some other subjects also by hearing through somebody, some other people also. Through some other people means you cannot study one subject from one person. So they have qualified in one, they have mastered in one subject. Other subjects you have to study means you have to go and study different fields. You cannot ask me, Swamini, teach Jyotisham Anna. I cannot teach Jyotisham. I cannot teach some other subjects which are not relevant to me. I am teaching only Vedanta here. But ancillaries you have to study some other teachers. Even though we have studied, but those subjects, some other teachers are especially teaching that only. From that also you have to learn if you want. Ide podum Swamini, podum manna. Apatataha means not directly with the textbook, you hear about certain other subjects indirectly. Apatataha, adhigata, learned, studied. Akhila Vedarthaha, studied all the Vedas. When Asmin Janmani Janmantareva, whether in this Janma or in previous Janma. Arthaha means here not Vedanta. Mimamsa, Purva Bhaga of Veda, how to do rituals, knowing meaning wise. You should know Shodashopachara Puja and what are dravyams, how to do chant the mantra, the vidhi, you have to learn. That is called Artha. Not Vedanta. Here Artha means Purva Bhaga of Veda, rituals, performance, you have to know the meaning. So that meaning he has learnt. Either in this Janma or in previous Janma. That samskara he must have. He is called Adhikari. Janmantara samskaram mani cholluvam. Idukada Janmantara samskaram. Janmantara na previous Janma. Kamya Nishiddha Varjana Purassaram. Purassaram means keeping the goal in front, that is moksha. Keeping the moksha as a goal in front. In front means what? As a priority. Predominant. Purassaram. That is the main goal. That is I am focusing. Keeping that moksha in his mind. What type of his karma he is doing? Kamya Nishiddha Varjanam. Kamya karma he has avoided. Kamya karma means that karma by expecting some materialistic results. That's called Kamya karma. A karma with a desire to get worldly benefits. It's called Kamya karma. If I worship the Lord, if I do any ritual, if I perform any puja, vratam, anything, and asking in the sankalpa, I want house, grandson, granddaughter, or good health, all these things, money, all these worldly things. If you expect and do that karma, it is called Kamya karma. Expecting worldly results. Kamya karma. Varjanam. He has to give up such a type of karma. Special prayers, Swamiji says, special prayer means எனக்கு அதுக்குடு இதுக்குடு இதுக்குடுன்னு சொல்லி ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பான். அந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் இந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் பிரதர்ஷனம் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பான். These are all called kamya karmas, keeping something in the mind, doing all rituals, kamya karma. This adhikari is one who is studying Vedanta. He has given up this kamya karma. Even he does same rituals, same puja, same japa, but he never asks for material things or sense pleasures. He asks only, Bhagavan, give me vivekam, give me vairagyam, give me chitta shuddhi. He will never ask any worldly things. And you give me some qualifications to get knowledge. I want that only, he asks. Not any money or anything he won't ask. Varjanam. Not only that, nishiddha varjanam. He has to avoid or he has to give up. Varjanam means to give up. He has given up what? Nishiddham. Prohibited actions. He has given up prohibited actions. What are the prohibited actions? He is going to explain. What is Nishiddha karma? What is Kamya karma? He is going to explain. I need not explain. Therefore, if I come to that topic, I don't have anything to talk. Therefore, I will keep that there, to discuss. Nishiddha karma means you note just prohibited actions this adhikari has given up. What should not be done, he will not do. Keeping why he has done this kamya karma and nishiddha karma, he has done varjanam, purassaram, keeping the moksha as a goal in front. And what he does, he avoids this kamya karma, nishiddha karma. Ennada pannuvaana nitya naimittika prayachitta upasananushtena. He does these karmas. Nitya karma. Panchamahayajnas, Daiva puja, Manusha yajnam, Bhuta yajnam, Pitru yajnam, and Rishi yajnam. Daily he practices. That also he is going to explain. Nitya karma. Nitya means what? Daily. Karma means action. That action you have to perform daily. It's called Nitya karma. Naimittika karma. Once in a while, occasionally you have to perform that. Naimittika karma. Then prayaschitta karma. Remedial actions. Remedial actions. As a remedy. Prayaschitta. Then fourth one, upasana. Meditation. This adhikari practice nitya karma, naimittika karma, and prayaschitta karma and upasana. Anushtanena. By implementing all these four. By practicing all these four karmas. By avoiding 2 karmas. By practicing 4 karmas. Total 6. 2 avoid பண்ணணும், 4 practice பண்ணணும். 4 avoid பண்ணி 2 practice பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஜாகிரதையா இருக்கணும். So, nirgata nikhila kalmashataya. Because he has given up these 2 which he has to give up, and he has practiced 4 which he has to practice. Because of that, what happened? Nirgata nikhila kalmasham. All papams have gone from him. Kalmasham is papam. Anything that obstructs my spiritual life is called papam. Spiritual sadhana, if it obstructs, it is called papam. Class ku varamale tadangal varudilliyo enna papam. Even sense pleasures, even materialistic luxurious life is also a type of obstacle. Even luxurious life with full of richness, that is a type of obstacle. Adhika dhanam irukkodadu. It is an obstacle. So therefore, anything that obstructs me from this Shastra study, anything, that is because of our papa. Our papa comes in the form of a person or objects or a situation and obstructs us not to allow to study Vedanta Sara. But this person is coming and anardham nirgata kalmasham anardham. Papam illa avaniki. Adanala class ku vara anardham. So you are all free. Nikhila, all papams, not one or two. All papams are washed off. That's why that person is able to study Shastra for a length of time. For a length of time. Anything I will keep only when Swamini gives holidays time. Regular class, college, school, holiday போடுறோமா? அங்கே லீவ் போடுவேன் சுவாமி, அப்பப்போ இங்கே மாத்திரம் போட மாட்டேன். இது இன்னும் ப்ரையாரிட்டி ஜாஸ்தி. So that much importance this Adhikari gives to Vedanta class. How committed he is. In front of Vedanta class, all other priorities are insignificant. People may talk, they are important, but for a Adhikari, a Vedantic student, all of them looks insignificant. People may think இவருக்கு ஏதோ பைத்தியமே பிடிச்சிருக்கேன்னா சொல்லட்டும். This is, take it as a but qualification. You take it as a qualification if they say like that. So nirgata nikhila kalmashataya, with that mind, with that antakaranam from whom all papams have gone totally. Nitanta nirmala swantaha. Swantaha means mind. His mind is nirmalam, malarahitam. Malam means impurity. Impurity free mind anardham. He will not get too much of anger. He will not get too much of jealousy. He will not get too much of hatred. Too much na koncham varumana. Koncham appudu vandu appudu poyidukum. Avladha. It will not stay inside. Adha nirmalam. Shantama irupana. Nitantam. Totally. Disturbed mind kediyadhu artham. Shantama irupa. Nirmalama. Just as the pure water. How crystal clear. Crystal clear. His mind is also crystal clear. Because of Purva Janma Punya Karma Anushtanam. Nitya Naimitika Prayaschitta Upasana Anushtanena Kalmasham has gone. All people will cooperate. All members of the family cooperate to this person. Ishvara Kripa, Guru Kripa, Shastra Kripa, Financial Kripa, Financial Kripa, Dhanalashmi Kripa, Arogya Kripa, எல்லாமே இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் சரியா இருந்தாதான் we can listen and receive the teaching. Otherwise you cannot receive the teaching, not so easy. 1 hour sitting and listening to the class, it's not so easy. That is teachers' punya prarabdham and students' punya prarabdham. That nirmala, nitanta nirmala antakaranam swantaha. Such person is called sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha. He is called as Sampannaha, wealthy person. Sampannaha means wealth. Sampat and sampannaha, prosperous, wealth. What is that he is having? Sadhana chatushtayam. 4 qualifications he has got. That he is going to explain later. What are the sadhana chatushtayam? He is full of 4 qualifications, 4 Ds. Tattva Bodha. Discrimination, dispassion, discipline, desire. 4 Ds. And the sadhana chatushtaya sampanna. Who is this? Pramata. This jiva. Pramata. Pramata means only as a pramata, only I can receive the knowledge from the scriptures. Pramata means the one who is the receiver of knowledge. Prama means knowledge. Pramata means the knower of that knowledge is called Pramata. What knowledge? Vedanta Sara, knowledge. Who is knowing? I myself. Who am I? I am Adhikari. What type of Adhikari? Who is free from all papams. And who is free from malam? I am qualified. Sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha. Nanda Adhikari. Ani sollikanu namakku namame. Diffidence irukka koodadhu. I am qualified person. Appa confident ah irukkanum. Enakka qualification irukka illaya? Appadi doubt பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தேன்னா it is called diffidence now. I have to equip myself and be confident. I am the pramata, I am the qualified students, I am going to study, I am going to get moksha. Definitely I will get moksha. That person is called dhiraha. Bold, courageous and committed, sincere, regular, punctual. சொல்லணுமா லிஸ்ட் இதெல்லாம் எனக்காக. Such students are there. Teacher is so happy. So happy. Okay. Now he is going to explain what is Kamya Karma, what is Nishiddha Karma. Very detailed way. Slowly author goes now. Topic number 7. Kamyani Swargadishta sadhanani Jyotishtomadini. What is Kamya Karma? Lord Krishna never talk all these things in Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna expects every student has to finish these basics and they have to come to Bhagavad Gita. But people never know other texts. They take directly Bhagavad Gita. And they come to know Puriviyelliyena. Emna Puriyam. Bhagavad Gita is to be studied after studying basic Tattva Bodha Vedanta Sara text. If you are thorough in Vedanta Sara only, you are qualified to study any other Prakarana Grantha. Very, very technical Granthas. What I have taken is not very technical Granthas until now. Prakarana Granthas also not highly technical I have taken. Simple Prakarana Granthas only I took. If you want to study Panchadasi Prakarana Grantha like, you must be thorough in Upanishad and basic terms. Otherwise, you blink at me, I will blink at you. So teacher has to mold the student to understand the next text. This is what build up teaching. ஏதோ ஒரு டெக்ஸ்ட் அப்படி எப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. Just like that we cannot take any text. It's a build up. The teacher knows the subject, what type of students, what they require now, what we have to do. Every technical term is important to be noted. Students should not scrutinize whether this topic is important to me, whether this topic is relevant to me or not, is it necessary? These are all thoughts should not come. Not supposed to come. Whatever my gurus speak, it has to be received. That's all. No second thought. No second thought. Our pastor and guru is talking means something is relevant to me. That's all. இந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ரத்த இருக்கணும். For such a student, Shastra works. For such a student alone, Shastra works. It does its job. Shastra must work to me. அதென்ன சுவாமி படிச்சா ஒர்க் பண்ணாதான்? ஆஹா, அது சும்மா ஒர்க் பண்ணாது. டு சில பேருக்கு தான் அது ஒர்க் பண்ணும். சாஸ்திரா நோஸ் வெரி வெரி இன்டெலிஜென்ட். சாஸ்திரா நோஸ் டு whom it has to be operated fully, opened. அதுதான் இந்த word by word we have to understand. காம்யானி ஸ்வர்க ஆதி இஷ்ட சாதனானி. Kamya karma is that which is a sadhanam. Sadhanani means a means. It is a means, sadhanam, for what? Swarga adi. Heaven, etc. To get heaven, etc. benefits. From 7th to 26th, he is going to talk about adhikari. I told you, 7th to 26th topic he is going to talk about only adhikari, sadhana. And அனுபந்த சதுஷ்டயம்ல ஒரு டாபிக் அதிகாரி பத்தி தான் பேச போறார். ஸ்வர்கா மீன்ஸ் ஹெவன் அண்ட் ஆதிபதாத் லௌகிக கர்மா, காமிய கர்மா, வைதிக காமிய கர்மா, ஜோதிஷ்டோமா எக்ஸெட்ரா. There are laukika karmas are also there. Laukika karma na Balaji kitta poi enakku promotion, good job, good qualification, parishla pass ahanum. Enna karma? Laukika kamya karma. Elimichi padam potti, tenga potti, so many. அந்த குலதெய்வத்துக்கு எல்லாம் என்னென்ன கொடுக்கணுமோ கொடுத்துட்டு, என்னென்ன சாத்தணுமோ அந்த படம் எல்லாம் சாத்தி நிறைய கொடுத்துட்டு, இதெல்லாம் லௌகிக காமிய கர்மா. ஃபார் லோக்கல் வாட் ஆர் ஆல் திங்ஸ் ஐ நீட், தட் இஸ் லௌகிக காமிய கர்மா. ஆஃப்டர் திஸ் பாடி, once this death take place, even next other lokas also I want to go. adi vaidika karma dwara amutra, that is called adipadat sadhanani. Laukika kamya karma, vaidika kamya karma, vaidika kamya karma through rituals. Laukika kamya karma, choosing a profession, for example. All these materialistic desires. So, Swarga Adi Ishta Sadhanani. Ishta means you can take what I desire. Ishtam. Enakku ishtam. Enakku Swargam venum. Enakku veedu venum. Enakku adi venum. Idu venum. All these ishtam. Enakku edi ishtam. All this. Like Jyotishthomadini. Jyotishtoma is a type of Somayaga ritual, Vaidika karma. Doing dhanam, something to go to higher lokas, dhanam. Whenever you do yaga, you have to do certain dhanam and all you have to perform. Jyotishthomadini. For immediate gain, people vote for what? Kamya karma. For immediate gain. I want to see Drishtaphalam. So, for that what they do? They omit certain rules and regulations, certain duties. So if you omit, what will happen? This kamya karma is not compulsory. Shastra never say it is compulsory. If you don't do kamya karma also doesn't matter. Kamya karma enakkaga da na panninu iruken. Shastra says adi pannlanna தப்பு இல்லை என்ன. பட் முக்கால்வாசி எல்லாரும் என்ன பண்றேன்னா காமிய கர்மா தான் பண்றான். கோயிலுக்கு போய் பாருங்க, கண்ணு மூடி மறி பிரார்த்தனை. என்ன பிரார்த்தனா? இன்னும் பிரார்த்தனை முடியல, என்ன லிஸ்ட் முடியல. காமிய கர்மா. அவரே ஜரகண்டி ஜரகண்டின்னு சொல்ல இருப்பா கொஞ்ச நேரம். இந்த பிரார்த்தனை பக்கம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அவர் முன்னாடியே பண்ணணும். அவர் காதுல கேட்கணும் இல்லையோ, அவர் முன்னாடி இந்த காமிக்கிற அந்த லிஸ்ட் முடிக்கணும். என்ன லிஸ்ட்ல சீக்கிரட்டா என்ன சொன்னா நடக்காது, சொல்லக்கூடாது. சில பேருக்கு அது பயம். இந்த காமிய கர்மம்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லாது, பகவானுக்கு எனக்கு தான் தெரியும் வச்சுக்கோ. So these are called kamya karmas. By expecting certain things, Jyotishtam and higher lokas, local also, so many things he wants. And mind is always, I want that, I want that. Therefore, he is bargaining with the Lord. How much you give? I give this much. How much you give? Bargain with the Lord. So, Bhagavan become a sadhanam, not sadhyam. Sadhya bhakti. It's kamya karma. Next, what is Nishiddha karma? 8th topic. Nishiddhani narakadyanishta sadhanani brahmana hananadini Nishiddhani. What are all prohibited actions? Naraka adi anishta sadhanani. It is also a sadhanam. Nishiddha karma also become a sadhanam for what? Anishta sadhanam. Unfavorable results oru sadhanam. Prohibited actions if you do, you are using that prohibited action as a means. What you are going to get, unfavorable results. Ishtamanna favorable. Inga Jyotishtomadini ishta sadhanani. Narakam is ishtam or anishtam? Apdiye nodding our head. Anishtam Swamini enna. Anishtam, ishtam ille. I don't want. Narakadi anishta sadhanani. In the all prohibited actions are the sadhanams means to take this person to naraka, etc., etc. etc. என்ன நரக்க ஒன்று போதுமே என்ன இருக்கு, etc. இருக்கு. சரி, what are the all prohibited actions? He gives example. Brahmana hananadini. Killing a brahmana is mahapatakam. Brahmahatyanu சொல்லுவான். Killing a cow, Bhruna Hatya, killing a baby. Then abortion is prohibited in our Shastra. Ipo, the patient, they will arrest me. Abortion is a papam. Shishu Hatya, Bhruna Hatya is papam Nishiddha karma. This is family planning. Ella pandra ipa makkalam. Maha papam Nishiddha karma. Go Hatya. How many cows they are killing? Mahapapam. Brahmana hatya. Killing a Brahmana is Mahapapam. Enge povanna? Narakatthige poiduva. Naraka melilla. Keeda. Narakatthige pova. Adi padat, etc., etc. What are they? Drinking liquor. Nimma eludikalam. Manush says, Manusmritila says, alcohol. If a person sip the alcohol, goes to Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala. Drinking liquor or smoking prohibited. Smoking. அப்படி எல்லாரும் நடக்கிறதுக்கு நிறைய பேர் அப்படிதான் இருக்காங்க. போகட்டும், என்ன பண்றது? ஸ்மோக்கிங், மாம்ச பக்ஷணம், eating non-veg, all come under Nishiddha karma. And in other places, desiring a woman, other person's wife, is Mahapapa. Other than your wife, if you desire any other woman who is equal to your mother, if you desire any woman other than your wife, it is a Mahapapa. Mahapatakam. So, Shastra never allows that. Shastra allows or not doesn't matter. Shastra allows means what? You will get papa. You will get papa. For that one desire, Ravana, whole empire, the whole kingdom, all people smashed. By whom? அதுக்கு ஒரு அவதாரமே வந்தது. அதுக்காகவே பாருங்க, ராவணர்னு அனுப்புறதுக்காக ஒரு அவதாரமே. How many of us remembering now? Because of desire for other person's wife, how can he desire now? Ravana. He may be a great Shiva Bhakta. One weakness is sufficient. No? Adharmam. Bhagavan will never spare. He will suffer one way or other in this janma or in any other janma. Papam vidadu. அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இந்த பாப பீதி இருந்தாதான் தர்மம் நல்லா இருக்கும் நாட்டில். அந்த பாப பீதி இல்லாம தப்பு பண்றேனே ஒரு பயம் இல்லைன்னா மனிதனுக்கு மகா அக்கிரமம் பண்ணுவான். He is going to suffer. In one type of disease or other, he suffers. Either in this janma or next janma. இது விடாது. எந்த கர்மா கூட விடாது. அதுதான் நரகாதீனி அனிஷ்ட சாதனம். In the form of a disease, பயங்கரமான வியாதி வரும். Even people cannot go near to that person. போகாது. Even people cannot go and serve to that person. அந்த பயங்கரமான ஒரு வியாதி வந்து அது மேல என்ன பாபம் வேணும், என்ன அக்கிரமம் பண்ணிருப்பா பாருங்க. பகவானே என்னோட நல்ல வழிக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போன்னு பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணணும். காமிய கர்ம பண்ணலாமா, நிஷித்த கர்ம பண்ணலாமா? Therefore, see the people who are all suffering, they are all because of papa karma phalam. அதனால ஜாகிரதையா இருக்கணும். We have to be very careful, true to yourself. Anishta karma. Iha amutra. Either in this world I should not do papa karma, or anywhere in Naraka. Again, after going there, people never recognize. That's why Mahatmas, elders' words a person has to listen from childhood. From childhood, children has to listen mother, father's words, and if they are going against dharma, this child has to take up any other decision. That's what Prahalada did against Hiranyakashipu. If your father and mother are dharmic, go follow them. Grandparents are dharmic, follow them. If your inner conscience is there, follow that also. தர்மமா நடக்கிறது லைஃப்ல எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் தெரியுமா? ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது கஷ்டமானது அம்சம். ஏன்னா நமக்கு தெரியாது எது தர்மம் எது அதர்மம்னே தெரியாது சில விஷயத்துல. அதுதான் சாஸ்திரம். By Shastra I come to know. How many people know taking liquor is papam? Hotels are ready now. Day after tomorrow, tomorrow night lende start agum. Enna all papams. Where they are going? Come, they are calling. Come, கூப்பிடா எங்க நரகம். Come, நரகம். This is not our culture. That's why never tell anybody Happy New Year. This is not Happy New Year. January is not Happy New Year. Jananam Varina. January. அது எப்படி Happy New Year ஆகும்? ஹாப்பியா நியூ இயரா? இங்க எப்படி வருஷ பிறப்புன்னா நியூ இயர் அப்போ சொல்லுங்க. தமிழ் வருஷ பிறப்பு நியூ இயர், தெலுங்கு நியூ இயர். That is New Year. I need not imitate anybody. Let them celebrate if they want to celebrate. அதுக்காக பாலாஜி டெம்பிள் கூட த்ரூ நைட் ஓப்பனிங். அப்படி பண்ணவே கூடாது. அது சாஸ்திர விருத்தம், ஆகம விருத்தம். அவருக்கு ரெஸ்ட் வேண்டாமோ, தூக்கம் வேண்டாமா பாலாஜிக்கு? ஐயோ, கோடிக்கணக்கில் பணம் போயிடும்னா போகட்டுமே. என்ன வருஷப்பிறப்பு நாள் கூட்டம் இருக்காது. ஜான்வரி 1 கூட்டமோ கூட்டம். அந்த பக்தி எங்க போகும் தெரியுமா? நாட் வைகுண்டம். கம் கம். All leaves are leaving. The trees are leaving their every leaves and all trees are becoming dry. This is the season you are not supposed to worship the god. This is Margani Masam. Really speaking, all the asuras are coming down. That's why Margani Masam we have to get up early and we have to worship the Lord, because that evil forces are moving here. In the Margani Masam all the evil forces are moving. That's why Devatas specially come to bless early morning. In the form of what? Virus, cholera, typhoid, all evils will come. Then there is a synchronization, there is a meaning, there is a relevance to our festivals, to our climate. இது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எங்கேருந்தோ எங்கேயோ போயிட்டோம். ஓகே, நரக்கம் வேண்டாம் நமக்கு, விடுங்க. ஓகே, நவ் 9th டாபிக். நித்யானி அகரணே பிரத்யவாய சாதனானி சந்தியாவந்தனாதீனி. நித்திய கர்மா இஸ் வாட்? டெய்லி பண்ண வேண்டியது என்ன? என்ன சுவாமி, குளிக்கிறோம், சாப்பிடுறோம், என்ன பண்ணணும் டெய்லி? வாட் டு டு? டேக்கிங் பாத், ஈட்டிங், ஸ்லீப்பிங். இது நித்திய கர்மா. இதை விட இன்னும் முக்கியமா இருக்கு, டிவி பார்க்குறோம், நித்திய கர்மா. சாஸ்திர அது இல்லப்பா நித்திய கர்மா வேற இருக்குன்னு. By not following which akarane, nitya karma is that by not following which person will get pratyavaya papam. Definition பாருங்க. நித்திய கர்மா இதுன்னு முன்னாடி சொல்லக்கூடாது. அப்படி சொல்லாமலே எது பண்ணலன்னா பிரத்யவாய பாபம் வருமோ அது நித்திய கர்மான்னு சொல்றாரு. எது பண்ணலன்னா எக்ஸெட்ரா, சந்தியாவந்தனம் எக்ஸெட்ரா. சந்தியாவந்தனம் இஸ் ஏ நித்திய கர்மா. ஆஃப்டர் டேக்கிங் தட் யக்னோபவீதம்னா, உபநயனத்துக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? பிராமண வைஷ்ய க்ஷத்ரியாஸுக்கு அந்த யக்னோபவீதம் பண்ண சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணணும், காயத்ரி பண்ணணும். 108 வாட்டி காயத்ரி பண்ணணும். காயத்ரி பண்ணலன்னா எக்ஸெட்ரான்னு சொன்னார். அதெல்லாம் நிறைய இருக்கு, எக்ஸெட்ரா எக்ஸெட்ரா அப்புறம் சொல்றேன். இங்க சந்தியாவந்தனம்னா காயத்ரி ஜபம். அவுட் சைடு காயத்ரி ஜபம் பண்ணணும். சந்தியாவந்தன ஆதீனி, ஆதிபதாத் ஜபம், பூஜா, பஞ்ச மகாயஜ்ஞாஸ், ஆல் திஸ் நித்திய கர்மாஸ். See, for ladies, Gayatri is after marriage only. Marriage is a upanayanam for a woman. For boy, Ashmarohanam is at the upanayanam time. The ladies after marriage, they also do Ashmarohanam, putting their toe upon a stone. That is called upanayanam for a woman. After marriage, husband is the one who is giving diksha to her. Marriage itself is a upanayanam, equal to upanayanam. For a boy, this upanayanam at the age of 8, 7, 10 they do. Gayatri Japam they take. And what about the woman Gayatri Japam? She need not do separately Gayatri. Serving to her husband is equal to chanting the Gayatri. Because husband is doing rituals. So all those rituals he is permitted because of wife. All Vedic karma, a husband is permitted because of wife. And certain places, in certain rituals, he has to offer, before he is offering a ghee, she has to see that ghee. And the wife பார்வை அது மேலே படணுமா, அது பட்டினதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இந்த இவர் ஆஃபர் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த அளவுக்கு லேடிஸ்க்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கா. He has to look at her dakshina. She has to open that locker and she has to bring money. She has to permit to give dakshina. Bhojanam pannanona, she has to prepare the food, she has to give dakshina, and she has to keep dravyams, everything ready, and she has to be there to put water also when he is going to do. Patni கூப்பிடுவான் அந்த priest, அந்த அம்மா வந்துதான் இந்த தண்ணி ஊத்தாதான் அவருக்கு இங்கே ஆஃபர் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த அம்மா இல்லைன்னா பின்னாடி no use. That means whatever he does, that ritual punyam, it goes to her also. அப்ப இவர் பண்ணின பாபம் போகாதா? போகாது. இது என்ன பாருங்க விசித்திரம். This is what Ratnakara, Valmiki, when he is doing lot of papa, killing others, Narada came and asked, you are doing lot of papa karma, for whose sake you are doing it? I am doing all this for my wife and children's sake. And I am giving this money, everything they are enjoying. Then Narada asked, you are giving this money, everything to them, they are enjoying. This papa you are getting, are they going to take your papa also? Narada asked. Why not? Ratnakara said, why not? They are taking my money, enjoying everything. Sukham, everything they are getting. My papa also they will share. Go and ask your wife. I will sit here. Ask and come back. Then Ratnakara went. Ratnakara means Valmiki. He went and asked. See, I am killing people. I am cheating. I am stealing. I am robbing everything. I am getting papam. For you people's sake I am doing. All of you can share my papam. No. We don't want to share your papam. Then he said, rush to Narada and tell me upayam to come out of this papa. Take Rama Nama. Rama's word is not able to utter. Then Narada taught Mara. Mara vandade. And the Mara சொன்ன என்ன ஆயிடுது? Rama. Therefore, Nitya Karma will nullify, dilute the papam. How? Punya is that you get punya by Nitya Karma. That punya which has got the capacity to reduce the previous papam. If I do Nitya Karma, punya you are going to get. It is adrishtam, not visible. Punyam is adrishtam. And this adrishtam, punyam, is going to remove or destroy your papam. Irukira papam போயிடும். எந்தெந்த ஜென்மாலோ என்னென்ன பாப்பம் பண்ணாமோ தெரியாதே. இப்போ நித்திய நைமித்திய கர்மா பண்ணினா என்ன ஆகும்? இருக்கிற பாப்பம் போயிடும். பண்ணல என்ன ஆகும்? என்ன அப்படியே இருக்கும் பாப்பம். பாப்பம் அப்படியே இருக்கும். So காமிய கர்மா, நிஷித்த கர்மா, ஈவன் பிராயஷ்சித்த கர்மா கூட பண்ண வேண்டிய தேவை இல்லை. பிராயஷ்சித்த கர்மா ஏன் பண்ணணும்? நித்திய நைமித்திக கர்மா பண்ணலன்னா தானே பிராயஷ்சித்தம் பண்ணணும். நித்திய நைமித்திகம் பண்ணிண்டே இரு. சாஸ்திரா never recommend always do kamya karma, don't do nishiddha karma, or don't do parayasita karma. Shastra never say. Shastra always says do nitya karma, do naimittika karma. People என்ன பண்றாங்க? நித்தியமும் பண்ணாமலே நைமித்தியமும் பண்ணாமலே பிஸி வித் பிராயஷ்சித்த கர்மா. புரியுறதா? அந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் இந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் பிராயசித்தம் பண்றது பிஸியா இருக்கே தவிர நித்திய நைமித்தியம் பண்ண இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குமா? டெய்லி ஒரு 108 காயத்ரி சொன்ன பிராயசித்த கர்மம் ஏன் வரும்? அது பண்றது இல்லை சுவாமி. நீங்க கோயிலுக்கு, ஆபீஸுக்கு, அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ண, குலதெய்வத்துக்கு போயிட்டு அந்த அம்மாக்கு என்னென்ன வேணுமோ அதை பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். ஏது பிராயசித்த கர்மம். இது என்னப்பா, நித்திய நைமித்திய கர்ம பண்றான்னு சொன்ன அது விட்டுட்டு பிராயசித்த கர்ம பண்ணிட்டே இருக்க பிஸியா. நித்யானி akarane pratyavaya. By not doing nitya karma, akarane means not performing. Pratyavaya papam. Pratyavaya papam is that papa by avoiding that action which you have to do. That is called pratyavaya papa. Omission. Omission. If you omit what you have to do, that omission moolama vara papam pratyavaya papam. Commission is what? Commission by what? Nishiddha karma. Nishiddha karma karane what comes? Commission. Papam varum narakadi. Nitya karma akarane pratyavaya papam. Ingyu papam varum, angyu papam varum. అది కరణే పాపం, ఇది అకరణే పాపం. నిషిద్ధ కర్మ పండినా పాపం, నిత్య నైమిత్తిక కర్మ పండల అన్న పాపం. ఇది ప్రత్యవాయ పాపం. அது ஒரு பாப்பம். என்ன பாப்பம்? அனிஷ்ட பாப்பம். இஷ்டம் இல்லாத ஒரு பாப்பம். பாப்பம் வந்துடும். தட் பாப்பம் accumulates more and more suffering. Why people are suffering? புரியுறதா? Okay, next topic. So Sandhya Vandanam removes, that Nitya Karma removes papam. Janma 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 papam will go away. இப்போ சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்றான்னா பூனல் எங்க இருக்குன்னு தேடுறான். ஆவணி அவட்டன் டைம்ல they will change that பூனல். இந்த பக்கமா அந்த பக்கம் ஒருத்தன் போய் பார்க்கறான், எப்படி பண்றான்னு பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு பாடு இந்த பக்கம் போட்டுட்டு அவ பூனல், ஒரு பாடு இந்த பக்கம் போட்டுட்டா. தி பர்சன் who is watching these brahmanas are confused ன்னு சொல்லிட்டான். Why one time he is putting right side, one time he is changing, go on changing. என்ன எந்த பக்கமா போட்டுக்கணும் என்ன? So people are confused. People are not wearing that thread after taking Gayatri Diksha. They have removed the thread. ஏன்னா எந்த ஸ்ராத்த கர்ம பண்றது இல்லை, ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் பண்றது இல்லை, அது கிடையவே கிடையாது. இது எதுக்கு பர்டன்? எதுக்குறான்னா டு ஸ்கிராச் மை பேக்ன்னு சில பேர் வச்சுக்கிறான். மகா பாப்பம். காயத்ரி தேவதா எவ்வளவு பிளஸ் பண்ணணும் அந்த ஜபம் பண்ண. இதில் ஸ்மார்த்த காயத்ரியாவது பண்ணணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் 10th டாபிக். நைமித்திகானி புத்திர ஜன்மாத்யனுபந்தீனி ஜாதேஷ்ட்யாதீனி. Naimittikam karma is what? Putra janma, giving birth to a child. Naimittika karma. Occasionally happens, no? Naimittika karma. And once you have given birth to a child, you have to do namakaranam, all those rituals you have to do to that child. Because the child cannot do himself, that samskaras. On behalf of child, the father does those samskaras. Jata karma. Jatakam, you have to make it right. What time, nakshatram, everything. From that time, namakaranam, ishtam. Jate sati ishti. When the child is born, jate sati ishti means a ritual. A ritual to be done when the child is born. For the sake of, not father, for the sake of child. Aksharabhyasam for the sake of child. Father has to be responsible for the naimittika karma. Putra janma. Putra means son, janma means birth. anu abandhini, what are related to that. They are all called naimittikam. So many samskaras are there until the child become adult. This father has to do for the child's sake. Then everything hand over to the child, then the child does once he become adult. Until that time, father has to do. Naimittika karmam. Occasion based actions. Naimittikam. Nitya naimittikam omission produce pratyavayam. Nitya and naimittika both are compulsory. Even grahana tarpanam is occasional or nityam? Grahana occasional da varum. Grahana tarpanam one irukkum. Adu avavasya time in the tarpanam idella occasional, compulsory. Jate ishtyadini. These are called what? Naimittika karmani. What is prayachittam? 11th topic. Prayachittadini papakshaya sadhanani chandrayanadini. What is prayaschitta karma? People are busy in doing prayashchittam and சொன்னாலையோ எந்த கோயிலுக்கு போய் எந்தெந்த பிரீஷ்னு கேட்டு எந்த தோஷம் இருக்கு அந்த தோஷம் இருக்க என்ன பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணணும். we are not doing ஸ்ரார்த்த கர்மா. அதுக்கு என்ன ரெமெடி? பிராயசித்த கர்மா. ஸ்ரார்த்த கர்மா பண்ண மாட்டான், பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணுவான். அது பண்றது இதே பண்ணக்கூடாதோ? பிகாஸ் we are not worshipping குலதெய்வம். அங்கே போல ஒன்றும் பண்ணல, அதுக்கு பிராயசித்தம். போகக்கூடாதோ? அங்கே போவான் பிராயசித்தம். இதில் பிராயசித்தம்லோ people are getting lot of things to do. Everybody's priests also advising do this prayasittam. இது தப்பான ஒரு வழி. எப்போது முடியலன்னா அது பிராயசித்தமே தவிர சும்மா சும்மா பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் பிராயசித்தம்? papakshaya sadhanam. If you do prayaschitta karma, it is a sadhanam, means to kshaya means to nullify the papa, to destroy the papa. Papakshaya sadhanam. What are they? Chandrayanadini, Chandrayana karma, etc. It is a Chandrayana ritual. And the Chandrayanam, there are a different type of Chandrayanam. Shishu Chandrayanam, Yati Chandrayanam. Chandrayaname theriyadu Swami, enna Shishu Chandrayanam, Yati Chandrayanam. Then the next class I will explain you. Very, very important to know. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.